We turn now to the coronavirus here in our state. A Milford bar owner is challenging the governor's executive orders at the state Supreme Court. The owner of Casey's Irish Pub says she's not been able to reopen since the beginning of the pandemic. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Shantae Passmore is now live in the studio for us. Shantae, what's the legal argument here?
Hey, Kate. Christine Casey is the owner of Casey's Irish Pub. Her attorney is challenging whether Governor Ned Lamont is operating within his power. And during today's virtual court hearing, Casey's lawyer also questioned whether the COVID-19 pandemic is a, quote, serious disaster. So far, the state reports more than 140,000 people tested positive for the virus. Meanwhile, more than 5,300 people have died. As for executive orders, the plaintiff also questions if the governor can limit alcohol services, and we should point out bars can remain open if they also serve food. Standing room service is, however, banned, but Casey's Irish Pub says their business is 90% alcohol with 10% food. The owner says her customers are not interested in buying sealed alcohol beverages and prepared takeout meals. Her attorney argued today the governor violated the state's constitution, but the justices picked apart the defense's arguments on how emergency powers should rest solely with the legislature, not the governor.
We're talking here about the tension between the governor and the legislature.
Well, I understand that, but if it's not reasonable and the legislature passes subsequent legislation and the governor, quote unquote, vetoes that, then they can come before us, couldn't they?
Somebody has to bring a lawsuit. True. Somebody would have to bring a lawsuit. It doesn't happen.
They can bring a lawsuit.
And you may remember lawmakers did extend Lamont's governor's powers through February. Attorney General William Tong is defending the governor in this case. And in a statement to Eyewitness News, he wrote in part, "Our Constitution is unambiguous. The governor has broad authority after the declaration of public health and civil preparedness emergencies to take affirmative steps to protect public health and to save lives. These measures have not been without sacrifice, but nothing can be more important right now than keeping people safe." Live at the digital desk, Shantae Passmore, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.